Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Cash App business login problems. Verification errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the official Cash App and update it from the App Store or Google Play. Next, restart your phone to clear temporary glitches that can block the login screen. Then, check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test stability. After that, turn off any VPN or proxy because it can trigger verification and security blocks. Now, verify the Cash App servers are not down by checking Cash App status online or Down Detector. Next, make sure the date and time on your phone are set to automatic to prevent security token errors. Then, open Cash App settings and confirm notifications are enabled so you can receive verification prompts. After that, try logging in again and carefully enter the correct phone number or email linked to your business account. Next, request a new verification code and wait at least 60 seconds before requesting again to avoid rate limits. Then, check your SMS inbox and spam or blocked messages list for the verification code. If you use email verification, check the promotions and spam folders and search for Cash App in your inbox. Next, make sure your phone can receive SMS by sending a test message to yourself from another number. Then, free up storage space because low storage can stop apps from saving login sessions and tokens. After that, clear Cash App cache on Android or reinstall the app on iPhone to refresh corrupted files. Next, log out from other devices if possible, because multiple active sessions can cause security challenges. Then, confirm your business account details are accurate, including your legal name and business name formatting. After that, verify your SSN or ITIN entry matches official records, including correct digits and no extra spaces. Next, upload a clear, unedited photo of your government ID with all corners visible and no glare. Then, take a fresh selfie in good lighting and remove hats, masks, and heavy filters that can fail face checks. After that, ensure your ID is not expired and your address matches what you entered in the app. Next, avoid repeated failed attempts, and wait 24 hours if you see a temporary verification lock message. Then, disable screen recorders and accessibility overlays that may interfere with secure verification screens. After that, check that your phone number is active, not a VoIP number, and not recently changed or recycled. Next, if you recently changed devices, complete device verification by following the in-app prompts exactly. Then, review your linked bank account and debit card details because mismatches can trigger verification errors. After that, remove and re-add the payment method only if you are sure you have the correct credentials. Next, contact Cash App support in-app through Settings, Support, and Chat, and describe the exact error text. Then, provide support with your hashtag, email or phone, and the time the error happened, but never share your PIN or full SSN. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.